Firstly, we're gonna see this CONOPU humidifier which I bought from Amazon. So it has an on-off button and an adjustable volume of mist. You can add an aroma diffuser, so just an essential oil. It's easy to refill and it's easy to clean. So let's open this up. So here it is. It's made out of entirely of plastic. Here we have our knob, on off position, on position. Here's a click, and here you can adjust the volume of the mist. So here we have our lid to pour the water in. Here is where the humidity will come from. Here inside we have the filter, I think, for the water. Here we have our floating, it's pretty heavy, floating mechanical switch, so water can enter. And here is where you're going to put your essential oil, so it will evaporate with the humidity, and a sensor for the device. This device is rated for 25 watts of power. And here we have this part which I really don't understand what is it, but okay. It said on the manual that only filtered water must be poured in, and that this container should be cleaned at least every 3 days, so 72 hours. So let's try this humidifier. Here I poured already some water. Let's turn this on. And after 2 seconds it works. It's very silent. You can hear just a pump. And so this is a minimum. Let's put into a bit more. Okay. So very very dense humidity, pretty cool. And you can hear some droplets. So that's the only noise it makes. It's very silent.